What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. This video is probably the most important video I've done so far. We are going to talk about some real serious stuff. A mindset that 90% of men don't have. A mentality that separates real men from weak men. But guys, before I'm going to completely change your life with this video, just take a quick second and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Commit yourself to becoming your best version possible, because guys, I upload every second day a new video to help you the best way possible. Alright guys, it is time. Let's talk about the abundance mindset. This is a mindset every man must have in order to win in life and with women as well. And in today's video I will show you the several parts of this mindset that you need to adapt. So guys, number one, be independent and don't have fear to lose anyone in your life. For example guys, you won't have an abundance mentality if you're always fearing to lose a girl because maybe she doesn't reply directly to your text messages or she even cancelled a date. Guys, you really need to be independent. Don't make your happiness or your self-worth dependent on anyone else. If you're always fearing to lose her, or maybe she's always the one that is on top, how could she or how could you even respect yourself? You need to be the one who gets the attention, and guys, always be 100% independent of her or anything else in your life. So guys, the second part of abundance mentality is that you don't have self-limiting beliefs. Never see yourself as a victim, no matter the situation. You are the player of your life and not the victim. And actually 90% of men have self-limiting beliefs. They see themselves as a victim of their life instead of taking the leading role and creating a life that they really deserve and want as well. They're simply attracting with this negative victim mindset more and more negativity into their life. So guys, be optimistic and positive. It will not only help you to attract positivity into your life, you will also become way more attractive for other people as well. And number three guys, be emotional stable. So understand yourself and your desires first. If you have an abundance mindset, you deeply know and understand yourself. You are totally aware of your strengths but also insecurities as well. No one can hurt you because no one knows you as well as you do. So guys, take time for yourself and figure out your emotional state, your beliefs and desires as well. Become more aware of yourself and accept yourself the way that you are. Because being emotionally stable is one of the most attractive character traits a man can have. It clearly shows maturity and separates you from all other guys. And last but not least guys, prioritize respect before pleasure. Become a high value man with goals and a purpose in his life. Someone that other men and women deeply respect. Take the long term win no matter in which aspect of your life before the short term pleasure. I promise you it will always be worth it. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Share it with a friend who needs to see it. Also guys, comment below what you think about the abundance mentality. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.